where was I in my life when I really dug into my own spiritual journey, and what chakra was I working mostly with at that time? And for me, the first one to really pop open and to really focus on was my solar plexus, where I started figuring out that I had a will and that I could use it and that I could make choices and that I had power, and that if I kept doing that, it would change my life. That opened my heart, and I started actively working on opening my heart and using that muscle, not just physically, but emotionally, and clearing what was in my heart, which allowed me to start clearing my voice and finding my voice and daring to speak, and going through just waves and waves of fear and panic about even saying my own name out loud. And all of that cleared. And of course, this took some time. This was all before tapping, so you're going to have a much faster experience. And then it went up into my third eye, into visions, and lots of meditating and learning about myself and being able to see into what was coming and how to present the truth that was moving inside me to the world, which then connected me to my spiritual purpose, and then here we are. But did you notice there were 2 chakras missing in that list? I started from the waist up and went this way, and I'm like, I'm good. But then there's the waist down. That's sexual energy and physical vitality in the body, financial stability, physical body stuff, and sexual energy, sexual power. So these are the base notes that I'm working on right now. So that's what I'm processing in the circle today. And for however long it takes, I've learned that when I say to myself, I'm going to change this, it's not like I did it once. It's like, I'm going to hang out here if it's the last thing I ever do. And if this is as far as I get, then great. That's where I got to. So I hope that you will take yourself seriously, because I noticed that persistence in myself and just being on that lesson until I get it actually keeps that alive and makes it a natural and stable place.